Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving deep into something truly amazing, Microsoft AutoGen. Imagine a world where AI agents work together seamlessly to tackle complex problems. That's right. With AutoGen, this is no longer just a dream. It's a reality. So, buckle up as we explore what makes AutoGen so special. First, let's talk about collaboration. AutoGen allows multiple AI agents to work together, sharing insights and making decisions as a team. This is a game changer. For instance, in software development, you could have one agent coding, while another tests and debugs. This teamwork significantly cuts down the time needed for project completion, potentially speeding it up by over 50%. How cool is that? Next up is AutoGen Studio, which is like giving a superhero cape to developers. With its low-code interface, you can create and prototype AI agents without writing mountains of code. Just think about how empowering that is. Anyone, even those new to coding, can jump in and start creating impactful AI solutions. Doesn't that sound exciting? AutoGen is versatile too. Imagine it being used in finance to analyze market trends or in advertising to optimize campaigns in real time. There's virtually no limit to what industries can benefit. For instance, in advertising, companies are already reporting conversion rates increasing by up to 30% by using AI-optimized strategies. Just think about the potential impact. What's unique about AutoGen? It introduces these conversable agents that can engage in rich dialogues. These aren't your run-of-the-mill chatbots, folks. AutoGen agents are designed to understand and respond to complex queries. Imagine asking your AI to help with debugging a huge codebase. It's like having your very own coding assistant right at your fingertips. Amazing, right? Now, let's talk about group collaboration. AutoGen allows agents to communicate with each other effortlessly. Picture a scenario where a financial advisor agent analyzes data while a legal agent ensures compliance, all in real time. That's teamwork at its best. This means decisions are made faster and with greater accuracy. Businesses can thrive in this kind of environment. And let's not forget about efficiency. By automating workflows that previously required human involvement, AutoGen can significantly increase productivity. Some users have reported a 40% reduction in task completion time. That's not just an improvement. It's a transformational leap for industries that rely heavily on timely decision-making. Error handling is also a key feature of AutoGen. During tasks, if something goes wrong, these agents can diagnose the problem and try to fix it automatically. This self-healing capability is crucial for creating reliable AI systems. Imagine software development teams spending less time troubleshooting and more time innovating. That's the kind of future we're looking at with AutoGen. Now, let's discuss the human-in-the-loop concept. Even though these agents are powerful, AutoGen allows for human oversight when necessary. This means you can implement AI while keeping a human touch where it matters. Knowing that you can step in when needed offers a lot of reassurance, especially for critical decision-making processes. Getting started with AutoGen is straightforward. Even if you're not a tech genius, its accessibility means you can start building your own agents with relative ease. This opens the door for countless innovators out there who might not have had the chance to explore AI otherwise. You never know. The next big AI breakthrough could come from one of you. As I work to create better quality content for you, I want to build a supportive community where we can share ideas and improve together. Your feedback is vital. If you have suggestions or want to see specific topics, don't hesitate to let me know. Together, we can grow and tackle the AI challenges of tomorrow. In conclusion, Microsoft AutoGen is setting the stage for the future of AI technology. It's not just about automating mundane tasks. It's about enhancing human potential, facilitating collaboration, and driving innovation across various sectors. If you're as excited about this as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the incredible world of AI.